Hey guys! You don't know why I'm facing this way? I have a dog here. Her name is Lady. She's one of the biggest dogs in our family. But you won't guess what. She's a pit bull and she's still a baby. Yeah, so look. Once I try to pull this rope right here, she's gonna try to bite. She's gonna try to bite it off of me. Look. Alright, so I was just bored and this is what I wanted to do. But if you want me to do a soccer thing, then leave a comment down below, subscribe, and link to my channel. Right, guys. Peace out.